Hi! Welcome to Learn English with Hazel. I am Hazel. Today, I want to share my morning with you. You will hear easy English from the beginning to the end. This practice is made for beginner English learners. Learning little by little is a great way to improve. Are you excited to begin? Come with me and see how I spend the first part of my day. Let's enjoy this English practice together, one easy step at a time. The sun is not high yet. My eyes open at 7 o'clock. I turn off my alarm. I sit on my bed for 1 minute. I take a deep breath. Then I stand up. I open my window. Cool morning air comes into my room. I feel happy and fresh. Now I walk to the bathroom. First, I brush my teeth. Next, I wash my face with cool water. Then I dry my face with a soft towel. Now I feel awake. After that, I go to the kitchen. My mother is already there.
Good morning, Hazel. Good morning, Mom. Did you sleep well? Yes, I slept very well.
Then I start my breakfast. Today I eat eggs and toast. I also have 1 banana. I pour a glass of milk. Everything tastes nice. I eat slowly and enjoy every bite. My body feels strong. My mind feels ready. Breakfast gives me energy for the new day. When I finish eating, I put my plate in the sink. After breakfast, I go back to my room. Now it is time to get ready. I open my closet. I look at my clothes. Today, I choose a blue t-shirt and black pants. Then I put on clean socks. My shoes are near the door. I will wear them later. Next, I comb my hair. Everything looks nice. I feel ready to start my day. Then I pick up my school bag. I open it carefully. I check every item. My English book is inside. My math book is there too. I have my notebook. I have 2 pencils. I have 1 blue pen. I also have my eraser and ruler. Now my bag is ready. Before I leave, my father says,
"Have a good day, Hazel."
"Thank you, Dad." Now I am ready to leave home and begin a new school day. Now I put on my shoes. I open the front door. The morning air feels cool and clean. I walk to school with a happy smile. I see trees, birds, and friendly people. Soon I arrive at school. I feel ready to learn many new things. This is how I begin my day. Thank you for listening and learning with me. I hope this English practice helped you today. What is the first thing you do every morning? Please write your answer in the comments. See you again in the next Easy English lesson.